it sounded nice. It sounded nice. As y'all know, Juice WRLD, sad, emotional. We gonna show you how to make that beat right now. And before y'all say anything about my forehead, yes, it's big, alright? Damn! Calm down. So obviously we gonna start off with a melody first. What I'ma do is I'ma set the scale so that we know where we at when we did. Yeah. You could. Basically, you're gonna go to the stamp tool, and you're gonna grab you a nice, slow, minor, natural scale. You feel me? And I'm gonna do a C minor scale today. You feel me? So let's go through that. Basically, the reason why I do this is so that I can stay in scale when I'm making the beat. Alright, cool. So now that we got the scale laid out, the C sharp minor scale, boom, boom, boom. Now we can go into my friend Omnisphere. I was able to get it on my computer, so we lit. And as y'all know, Juice WRLD beats, it's guitars, 24/7. Alright, let's see how this is about to sound. Weird. Alright, bet, let's get it. Cool, so now I'm about to make a chord. I started here, and these are gonna be my bass notes. I'm gonna build chords off of that. I like that. I kind of want it to descend, so I'm gonna do this instead. So basically the chord that I made, it was a C sharp minor chord, then I threw in some like melodies in the chords, and then now I'm about to add in bass notes, cause I know we love our bass notes. We gotta make sure it sound deep. Work. Yeah, basically I used the guitar just to make sure I had that Juice WRLD sound in it. Then I strummed the chords just so that it could have a play effect. You know what I'm saying? Instead of it just sounding like it being on the piano, it has more of an emotional feel, and all the notes aren't hitting you at once, so it kind of gives you like a story. You feel me? Yo, what's good? Listen, if it's your first time here, make sure to like and subscribe to the video. You feel me? I'm gonna be making more videos like this, more how-tos, just stuff that you guys is gonna like. Alright, so hit that like button or subscribe so you can get more. Alright, back to the video. Bah! So this is how it sounds. Right. I'm actually gonna copy and paste this here, and I just did something that I liked. Alright, so I did something that I like with the bass notes. So those are the chords right there. It sounded real nice. I didn't throw no effects on it yet. I might just leave it like this for throughout the beat. Who knows? Alright, cool. So now I'm about to throw another melody in there. Let's see what we gonna make. Word. Let's see. I kind of been liking this flute here a lot. Let me just turn off these effects. Turn off this. I've been liking this space flute a lot on Flex. Alright, cool. So I added some atmosphere with this flute. Basically all I did was just create a nice little melody, nice little something something, and I copy and pasted it, switched up the notes a little bit so that it could sound a little different and not so repetitive. Before I show y'all, I just threw in the EQ, I trapped it in the mids, and I could let the bass, you know, stay there a little bit just so that it could hold that emotion. Then I threw in some reverb, a lot of reverb, and I threw in some chorus, and I ain't really touched much there. This is how it sounds with the chords. It sounded nice. Now what I'm gonna do is throw in some like higher frequency top notes just so that it could add another element to the beat. Weird. So let's do that. You know what's crazy? When I first started producing and I used to watch people do this, I used to think that they pre-plan the melodies, and now since I make it, I notice you really don't do that. Like, you just kind of come up with shit. I ain't bad. I could bang with that right there. I bang with that part. That's my favorite part so far. Word. So now y'all know we about to get into the drums, my favorite part. So I'll see y'all there. Word.
Skxppy.
Yo, leave a like if you like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow, you feel me? I made this video just cause y'all notice my favorite kind of beat to make is like Juice WRLD's had emotional hip hop or trap beats. So like this it's always fun for me. I also made it because I wanted to show y'all something and teach y'all something. And I also made it just because a lot of people have been asking me how to make certain kind of melodies and how to make emotional melodies and emotional beats. So here you go. Now you got the secret. You got the sauce. Word. So I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Explore y'all music producer bounds. Find new grounds. And never stop making beats, bro. I understand like we try to get our beats to people as best as possible. But somebody told me recently, yo, keep creating and create relentlessly. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Create relentlessly. Word. Peace.